All we need is a place to be and a few good friends for some company. If you'd like to stay, you don't have to leave. We'll leave the lights on and the door unlocked. If you drop on by, you don't have to knock. We're happy to share whatever we've got.
Okay guys, girls and guys, I'm at Koh Lanta. Here we go, but I'm not going to show Koh Lanta because plenty of YouTubers will show Koh Lanta. So I'm going to show you the beginners course, not a course, beginners snorkeling. I'm doing snorkeling for 2 days. I'm a very beginner. So I'll show you what beginners can do snorkeling wise for 2 days going from Koh Lanta. So I shall get back to you for about the snorkeling bit. Right, so see you there. Subscribe to the Baldy Vlogger. Oh, you've enjoyed this snorkeling up to now? Here we are, going for lunch. Oh, what have they got these on the side? Oh, but don't need me mask. What are we looking at? Where? Oh yeah. Disguised. Yeah. Dinner. Barbecue.
Barbecue.
Barbecue lizard.
And toilet on the beach over there. Bathroom.
Okay.
And you stay here 2 o'clock, about 2 hours.
Okay.
And then afternoon I have one more time snorkeling. Afternoon, first snorkeling afternoon, go back Lanta. Okay? Okay, cup. Eat now.
Name food masterman curry chicken with potato and carrot, medium spicy.
Okay.
Big fried vegetable and fried monkey. Sorry, fried chicken.
Fried monkey.
Only monkey, no
Chili
no
fish
chicken.
sauce, very spicy.
Including in this tour is dinner. A buffet. I thought it'd be fish. Are you ordering? So I can film it? No? I hope you've enjoyed this vlog up to now. It's a big tree. This is still the big tree going inside it. I feel very, very trunk here, as in tree trunk. And here we have some tents. National Thailand Park tents. I think you could probably stay there if you wanted. This is the root of the cause of the tree. There's a wee cafeteria place. There's some toilets here. You, Kieran, toilets. You've got a stranded on a desert island. This wouldn't be a bad choice. And we have found a swing. There we go, my daddy dunk. Oh. What's this over here? Is it a turtle? Is it a turtle? Is this a turtle? Oh, it's a rock. Just floating around, this is